a black Bombay, and a snub-nosed cat. He seems to be the victim, but that might change depending on what we learn. See how she doesn't really do anything? I don't think she's the culprit. I think she's the victim. He's the culprit. Yep. We found out he's the culprit. Mad kitty fight. Bombay seems to be stronger and faster. Gray one seems to be cuter. That does not matter in a cat fight. What matters is strength, agility, and speed. Bombay comes back. He's scared. Proven. She is the domestic cat. Oh, another fight. He strikes again. We gotta get on this. Make it a video. This cat loves to play with toys, such as paper. The black Bombay is aware her enemy is here. She shows no fear. He strikes, but she hits. Good job, Bombay. You did good.